Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best baseball gifts is probably one of the most exciting categories for any fan looking to celebrate their passion for America's favorite pastime, offering a fantastic array of items that range from the practical to the purely fun, ensuring there's something special for every type of baseball enthusiast, whether they're a player, a collector, or just a dedicated spectator who loves the game's rich history and thrilling moments. Number 5. Bedwina Inflatable Baseball Beach Balls, 12-pack. Get ready for summer fun with our pack of 12 inflatable baseball beach balls. These 16-inch balls are perfect for the beach, pool, or backyard parties. Inflating these is a breeze with a standard valve, and they stay inflated for hours of enjoyment. Their size makes them easy for little hands to catch and throw. Make your next baseball-themed party a hit. They're ideal as party favors, goodie bag fillers, or decorations to add excitement to any celebration. Crafted from high-quality, durable PVC vinyl, these balls are built to last. They offer great value and endless entertainment for kids and adults alike. This bulk pack ensures you have plenty for everyone to enjoy. They're a classic way to add fun to any summer gathering or pool party. What we like. These are large, inflatable baseballs perfect for pool parties or beach days. They are easy to inflate and come in a pack of 12, making them great for group activities. If you're looking for a fun, classic toy for kids to enjoy outdoors, especially at a water-themed party, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. This is a great gift for any baseball fan. It is very detailed and looks just like a real baseball. The quality of the material is excellent, it is very durable and will last for a long time. It is a unique and fun gift that is sure to be a hit with any baseball enthusiast. Number 4. Franklin Sports Baseball and Softball Sunglasses. Introducing the ultimate eyewear for baseball and softball players. Designed for both men and women, these sunglasses offer superior protection and comfort on the field. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend warrior, these shades are built to enhance your performance. Experience clear vision and reduced glare, no matter the conditions. Choose the style that best suits your game. We offer both convenient flip-up designs and classic non-flip options for personalized comfort and functionality. Protect your eyes from the sun's harsh rays and potential impacts. These sunglasses provide reliable defense, so you can focus on making the play. Elevate your game with Franklin Sports. These sunglasses are engineered to help you see the ball clearly and perform at your peak, every time you step up to bat or take the field. What we like. These sunglasses offer a stylish way to show off your love for baseball while protecting your eyes. They come with a convenient flip-up feature for versatility. If you're a baseball fan who spends time outdoors and wants a practical yet themed accessory, these are a great pick. What people say. The baseball glove design is a unique and fun addition to any baseball fan's collection. This gift is perfect for any baseball enthusiast, featuring intricate details that capture the essence of the sport. The quality of the material used in this baseball-themed item is excellent, ensuring durability and a premium feel. Number 3. Wedopro Toss and Catch Ball Game. Get ready for endless fun with this exciting toss and catch game. It's perfect for family bonding, whether you're at the beach, in the backyard, or on a picnic. Experience a classic game with an upgrade. Made with durable materials and extra sticky surfaces, it's designed for maximum catches and hours of enjoyment. Our game features adjustable straps that fit comfortably on any hand size, from little kids to adults. Everyone can join in on the fun. Tired of screen time? This game encourages kids to get outside, stay active, and develop essential athletic skills like hand-eye coordination. Looking for a gift that brings smiles and activity? This toss and catch game is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's a present that promises hours of entertainment. Comes with everything you need, including a portable bag, making it easy to take your fun on the go. Enjoy playtime wherever you are. What we like. This set provides a complete toss and catch game with durable, sticky paddles and balls. The adjustable straps ensure a comfortable fit for all hand sizes, promoting active play. If you're looking for a family-friendly outdoor game that encourages physical activity and hand-eye coordination, this is an excellent option for kids and adults alike. What people say. The baseball glove is a great gift for any baseball fan. This baseball bat is made of high-quality wood and is perfect for any player. The baseball cap is adjustable and fits most head sizes. Number 2. Refresh toss and catch ball game set. We've taken a beloved classic game and elevated it with a baseball-inspired design. Our premium paddles and deluxe balls set a new standard for quality toy fun. Looking for a gift that keeps kids entertained for hours? This toy's user-friendly design guarantees instant fun for children of all ages. It's an ideal present that promises enjoyment and keeps them active. Encourage screen-free fun and get outdoors. Playing with this game helps develop essential motor skills like hand-eye coordination and fine motor control. It's a great way to promote physical development through engaging activity. Designed for everyone, this game features a special stretchy strap that adjusts to fit any hand size. Whether you're a toddler or an adult, you'll get a comfortable and fantastic fit on either hand. Your satisfaction is our priority. Our friendly customer service is always ready to help, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience with our active toys and games. What we like. This game offers a unique baseball glove-shaped paddle for a fun twist on the classic toss and catch. It includes sticky balls and adjustable straps for a perfect fit, encouraging outdoor activity. If you want a toy that combines a familiar sport with active fun and is suitable for a wide range of ages, this is a great choice for developing motor skills. What people say. The baseball glove design is a unique and fun addition to any baseball fan's collection. This gift is perfect for any baseball enthusiast, featuring intricate details that showcase the sport's heritage. The quality of the materials used ensures this baseball-themed item is both durable and aesthetically pleasing. Number 1. Klever kits decorate your own baseball cap. Get ready to design your very own stylish baseball cap. This kit provides everything you need to make a fashion statement. Inside, you'll find a plain baseball cap, vibrant adhesive gems, and sparkling glitter glues. It's a complete set for endless decorating fun. Let your imagination run wild. Easily add the gems and glitter to create a unique look. The stickers are ready to go with their own adhesive. This is a fantastic activity for a creative afternoon indoors. It's also a wonderful way to spend quality time with family or friends while learning new skills. Designed with your child's safety in mind, this kit is non-toxic and meets US toy standards. You can feel confident letting them explore their creativity. We are committed to providing safe and satisfying products. Our focus is on ensuring every experience with our kits brings you pure joy. What we like. This craft kit allows kids to personalize their own baseball cap with gems and glitter glue. It's a non-toxic, safe activity that sparks creativity and fine motor skills. If you're searching for a fun, indoor craft project that results in a wearable item and provides a great bonding opportunity, this is an ideal gift for creative kids. What people say. Great gift for a baseball fan. This is a fun and unique gift for any baseball enthusiast. The quality is good and it looks just like the picture. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.